at you, or you just wanted to...
This is Eddie from Ambro Controls. Eddie, what's special about this?
Oxyset. You recognize the Oxyset, right, Mo? You've been using it.
Yes.
So everything your Acetylene torch does at half the size and a third of the weight.
So guys, this is what we use by us. This is an oxygen acetylene. Think about a torch. Goes up to an attic, and as you can see, what does it weigh?
11 pounds.
11 pounds. Well, you can see it fits in the back of his little rental car over here, and you don't need to drive around in a big truck with it. It fits in the back of your car. Nice and small little kit. This is actually the whole box, and this is the kit itself. So
10
nice.
inches by 17 inches.
Nice.
All right.
And what's his quote-unquote pro dope? This glue.
Yeah, so I'm going to show you the newest innovation in thread sealant. So not just a sealant, but an adhesive as well. 15-minute to functional cure time, 30 minutes or a little longer to fully cured. And it is so it's one bead, one thread, non-toxic. I mean, I can just rub in like a lotion will. It's gone, so there's no mess. Doesn't start to cure until the oxygen is expelled. So it's an anaerobic thread sealant. If you're using PTFE, Teflon tape, pipe dope, this will change your life.
Nice. We got to try both of these out. So these we know about, and these we got to try out.
Yeah, I'll give you a couple of these to try out here.
Make sure to tell Eddie that Mo sent you. Find me at turnupthecomfort.com. Contact us at info@turnupthecomfort.com if you need a contact to Ambro Controls. We'll get you hooked up.